Did you know you have an ingredient in your kitchen that could help you combat up to 16 health problems? That's right. Humble baking soda, the white powder we use for baking or cleaning, has an impressive power that many people don't know about. Today you'll discover how to use it correctly to transform your health naturally and effectively. And the best part is, it's available to everyone. But before we begin, if you're interested in natural health, subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Every week we share secrets that can change your life. Your support is key to helping more people discover these tips. Stay until the end, because benefit number 16 will surprise you. Let's get started. What is baking soda and why is it so powerful? Sodium bicarbonate, also called baking soda, is a natural compound made up of sodium and bicarbonate ions. It is known for its ability to neutralize acids and regulate pH balance in the body, making it a powerful tool for human health. For centuries, it has been used not only in cooking and household cleaning, but also in traditional medicine to treat multiple conditions. Modern science has validated many of its uses and discovered new benefits. This white powder has antacid, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and alkalizing properties, making it incredibly versatile. It can improve everything from digestion to kidney function, oral health, and physical energy. Today I'll show you 16 effective ways to use it that can radically change your daily well-being. Let's get started. Number 1. It could boost cancer treatments. Various scientific studies have explored how bicarbonate can help alkalize the cellular environment, which could hinder the proliferation of tumor cells. Some experimental studies indicate that it may make certain cancer treatments more effective by reducing acidity in the tumor environment. Although it does not replace medical treatment, several specialists are considering it as a therapeutic complement in clinical research. A doctor should always be consulted before using it for this purpose. Number 2. Supports body detoxification. Bicarbonate helps the body release accumulated toxins from the blood and tissues. By balancing the pH, it facilitates the elimination of harmful substances through urine and sweat. Many people combine it with warm water and lemon on an empty stomach to initiate internal cleansing processes. It's also useful in immersion baths, where its alkalizing effect can penetrate the skin and promote a feeling of overall renewal. Number 3. Improves kidney function. In patients with mild kidney disease, bicarbonate can slow the progressive deterioration of the kidneys. It helps neutralize excess acids in the blood, reducing the workload on these organs. A British study revealed that patients with mild kidney failure who took bicarbonate had a slower progression of their disease. Under medical supervision, it may be part of an effective strategy for maintaining kidney function longer. Number 4. Improves oral health and whitens teeth. Baking soda is a mild, alkaline abrasive, ideal for removing stains from teeth without damaging the enamel when used in moderation. It also fights bacteria that cause bad breath, cavities, and gingivitis. It can be used as homemade toothpaste mixed with a little water, or as a mouthwash to reduce oral acidity. Many dentists recommend it as a complement to, not a substitute for, conventional brushing. Number 5. Relieves heartburn. One of its most popular uses, baking soda quickly neutralizes excess gastric acid, relieving heartburn, indigestion, and reflux. You only need half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water, and the effect is usually felt within minutes. However, it should not be used frequently without medical supervision, as excessive use can disrupt the stomach's natural balance. Number 6. It can relieve urinary infections. Thanks to its ability to alkalize urine, bicarbonate can reduce the acidity that irritates the urinary tract, decreasing pain, burning, and urgency when urinating. In mild cases, it can complement conventional treatment. A common way to use it is to drink a glass of water with a pinch of baking soda a day for a few days. It's not a substitute for antibiotics, but it can be a useful ally. Number 7. Improves physical performance. Many athletes use it as an ergogenic supplement. Bicarbonate helps delay muscle fatigue by neutralizing the lactic acid generated during intense exercise. It can improve endurance during high-intensity workouts, such as weightlifting or sprints. It's recommended to take it in small, controlled doses 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. Use should be measured, as excess intake can cause stomach upset. Number 8. Helps control gout symptoms. Gout is a condition that causes uric acid to build up in the joints, causing pain and inflammation. Bicarbonate, being alkalizing, facilitates the dissolution and elimination of uric acid through urine. Taking a small dose dissolved in water can relieve discomfort and prevent recurring attacks. It's essential to do so in a controlled manner and accompany it with a proper diet to maintain results. Number 9. Relieves arthritis pain. Baking soda has mild anti-inflammatory effects, which can be helpful in relieving joint pain. It can be applied topically in compresses or warm baths, especially on affected hands and feet. This helps relax joints and reduce inflammation. Additionally, as a complement to an alkaline diet, it can improve the body's internal environment, promoting overall tissue health. Number 10. Relieves cold and flu symptoms. You can use baking soda to gargle with warm water, which helps soothe a sore throat. You can also dissolve it in hot water to inhale, which reduces inflammation in the airways. Its antiseptic and alkaline properties help reduce nasal congestion, general discomfort, and excess mucus. It doesn't replace rest or other treatments, but it can provide great natural relief. Number 11. Treats mouth ulcers and wounds. Rinsing with baking soda dissolved in warm water can reduce the inflammation and burning caused by canker sores or other minor mouth ulcers. It helps speed up the healing process and prevents secondary infections. In some cases, it can be applied directly as a paste to the wound for a few minutes, then rinsed off. This is ideal for times when pain makes eating or speaking difficult. Number 12. Antifungal properties. Baking soda fights fungi like Candida albicans, which can appear in warm, moist areas of the body. Applied as a foot soak, or as a paste on the armpits or groin, it helps reduce fungal growth and control itching. It can also be used in mouthwashes or vaginal douches, under medical supervision. It is a safe and economical alternative to many commercial antifungals. Number 13. Natural deodorant. Body odor is caused by bacteria that break down sweat. Baking soda neutralizes the pH and eliminates these bacteria, acting as an effective, chemical-free deodorant. Simply apply a small amount, either dry or mixed with water, to your underarms. You can also combine it with coconut oil or starch to make your own homemade deodorant. Ideal for people with sensitive skin or allergies. Number 14. Refreshes feet and combats bad odor. After a long day, soaking your feet in warm water with baking soda reduces inflammation, odor, and fatigue. It also helps prevent fungal infections, especially if you wear closed shoes for long periods of time. You can do this for 15 to 20 minutes, and when dry, apply baking soda like talcum powder. Your feet will be refreshed, rested, and protected from bacteria. Number 15. Deep hair cleansing. Occasionally using baking soda on your scalp helps remove hair product residue, oil, and pollution. Mix a teaspoon with your shampoo or warm water, massage, and rinse. Your hair will feel cleaner, lighter, and shinier. Its daily use is not recommended, but as a natural hair reset once a week it can be very useful. Number 16. Soothes insect bites and skin allergies. If you get a mosquito bite or have a mild skin reaction, make a paste with baking soda and a little water. Apply it to the affected area for 10 minutes. Its alkaline and anti-inflammatory properties soothe itching, reduce swelling, and speed recovery. It can also be used for sweat rashes or contact with irritating plants like poison ivy. As you've seen, baking soda isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it's one of the most powerful and accessible natural remedies out there. From relieving heartburn to supporting kidney function, fighting fungi, improving physical performance, and aiding in medical treatments, its applications are truly astonishing. The most important thing is to use it with knowledge, moderation, and, in specific cases, with professional advice. Although it's safe for most people, each body reacts differently. If this video was helpful to you, please share it with someone who needs to improve their health naturally. We'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Which of these benefits were you unaware of? Which one surprised you the most? Your comment may help others. And the best is yet to come. Sometimes the most powerful things are in the simplest things. One ingredient we ignore every day can change everything. Baking soda may seem ordinary, but used properly, it transforms lives. Tell us in the comments. Have you used baking soda this way before? Which benefit are you going to try first? And remember, subscribe, like, and ring the bell for more natural tips that really work. Together we'll discover how to live better, naturally. You're not alone. See you in the next video.